Macau, walking, ruin overdue, Patane. Streets of Macau, ruin overdue, Patane. Streets of Macau, ruin overdue, Patane.
Okay, so we're in this Patane area. We're gonna be walking down this street between these buildings, these tall buildings. We got some nice shade. We got some interesting stuff over here where some people are playing some different games. We got some restaurants that we're gonna walk by, and we're in this Patane area. I'll try to explain that in a little bit through the video. Oh, the police just sent them away. So let me come back. I'll put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so this is Nova de Patane. I think this road might, I don't know if it goes into that area or not. But I know the road definitely goes in this direction, and I think I'm starting at the base of it. We're gonna walk through here. And we got some kind of interesting shops, including these ones with the, there's a name for these, but they're kind of, let me show you. They'll have like stuff like this. It's like different cuisines that are, I forget the name, Chen, something, but there's another one over here too. Yeah, maybe just let me know. You can see how unique these are. You can see the kind of a diner look to those as well. And then you can also see the food. So you got like pineapple bun, all kinds of different stuff. Wonton noodle soup. So these would be pork bread sandwiches. You can see them up on the wall as well. So those are pretty unique and cool. I've actually saw a YouTuber just come from Hong Kong just to go to these kind of shops, and it's kind of something about it feels very it's like going to an American diner or something like that. This kind of captures the heart of stuff. And then over here they have a little park that goes all the way down as well. It's really sunny, but they're playing some kind of interesting games over here as well. We'll just keep on moving because the sun is so bright. But they were playing a game that I've never seen before. So yeah, I did another video where we crossed and went all the way down, not down this particular street. Then way over there is Mongha. There's a hilltop over there with a fortress. Lots of places to sit in this area. Yeah, this is an area of Macau that I generally don't come to very often, and it's not too far from what used to be this area called Patane Village, which historically, right now where we're at is all reclaimed land. So all of this historically would have been in the ocean, but not too far from here, where the land wasn't reclaimed, would go back to this area called Patane Village. Patane Village was a small fishing village, and then they reclaimed the land. And I guess this one they called it like the new Nova Patane. You see the street name down below, but it has like, Nova is like new. This is kind of a big popular bus stop right here. Let me go to the other side, that might be more interesting. Oh, now it's Concordia. So Concordia starts here. So we'll just come over here real quick. And then this would all start in this area called Concordia. Concordia is a different neighborhood altogether. But this Patane area, our street was Patane over here. And I'm not exactly sure about this particular street, but some of these streets will, some of them were reclaimed a couple different times. Like, so they would reclaim some of the ocean and create more space and create like a stronger harbor for the boats to come in and such like that. And then they would do it again, you know, 50 years later. Like, but I don't know all the different spots, you know, exactly every single location, exactly where it marks at. So, that street might have got extended to a different street called Concordia, which would mark a different neighborhood. And then this one right here, you know, it's Patane. So we're basically walking back the same way we came, but I kind of want to document the streets exactly what they look like. I thought that was kind of interesting where they're at, so I might walk back there again and just kind of see. They're playing some interesting game right there. But I keep on filming them, so I think I'm gonna just kind of go through. So yeah, they got some kind of interesting game going all the way down. But the sun is so bright though, so. And of course everybody's kind of seeing what I'm doing as well. That's a nice park. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. And I'm just kind of documenting the street, so I know I'm kind of going by some of the ones I already did. You know, I already talked about these two restaurants right here. But what I want to do is I want to continue down a little bit further. And I just want to see if this street continues down to there, which I think it might. So we're going to walk all the way down and see. And then plus we get to capture more of the street so you can get an idea what it looks like. And I'm also trying to document all the streets of Macau, what they look like in time in 2026 and such. So we got a playground right here. I'm gonna continue down. And I'm just gonna walk until I can see what street we're on. So I don't know if we're still on our target street or not, or a different one. That's Smart 360. Okay. And okay, we're walking on the one side of Don Donkey. Don Donkey is from Japan. It's like the warehouse side right here. But this is like one full block of Don Donkey Japanese, like Walmart or Kmart, like the superstore. Has all kinds of Japanese products and extremely popular in this region and other places, especially Japan, but Hong Kong, Macau. And we are still on our street, so so that's good. I came down here and filmed a little bit more. Let's have that little skyway to walk across as well. And then I think that our street might go down a little bit further, so I'm just gonna walk the camera down and we'll just kind of capture. So you can see more of the Don Donkey right there, so it goes all the way around. So Don Donkey is like one full block all the way down that way. All the way down. So okay, so we're going to continue down. And I'm just gonna walk around the corner and just see if this one continues with our Nova Patane. Nope. So this is actually a different one. So now it just changed names to something different. Okay. So I guess we'll end it right there, and that was our street. Slice of Macau there for you. So we'll end it here. I did try to, it's a little bit darker out, but when I go near them, everybody stops and stares at me, so I don't want to make anybody uncomfortable, because I don't know if that's gambling or not. But this is this whole little park, and I'll just capture this and put it into the video as well.